How to recover Snapchat streak. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to recover Snapchat streak. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. So if your Snapchat app is still not updated, then go ahead on your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and then make sure to click on that update button if it is available. Once you have done updating your Snapchat, then now you may simply open it. And then, in order for you to recover your Snapchat streak, simply go to your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen, and then go to your settings found on the upper right corner of the screen. Once you are here, scroll down until you can see the support section, and then click on I need help. Wait for it to load, and then once it is done loading, you may now type in snap streak. So wait for it to load again and click on I lost my snap streak. And then you may read through all of these, and then you may also click directly on let us know right here. Wait for it to load, click on I lost my snap streak. Wait for it to load once again and scroll down. You may read through all of these, and then you may also type in your username, your email, your mobile number, your device, your friend's username, and then when did you start having this issue? How long was your Snapstreak before it expired? And then you see the hourglass icon. So you may also type in yeah, information that you want Snapchat to know, click on send right here, and then what you're going to do is to wait for at least 24 to 48 hours or until Snapchat has replied to your concern. So that's it. That's how you can recover Snapchat streak. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.